Welcome to the river, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. It'll really help my channel. Today we're on our little rock hunt, seeing what wants to come with me, what catches my eye. A little jade, a little serpentine. So stick around and find out. What? Did I just see? What is this? Ooh. It's not focusing. There we go. Ooh, that's a really nice blue-green. I hope that's showing up. It's vibrant. There's a Chartoyant van right there. And some hyper green chrome maybe. Oh. Interesting. What do you think? Should I take it home? Pretty. Fits nice in my hand. It's pretty heavy. That's some really green looking stuff. It's either jade or serpentine. Check this out. A strange one. Wow, some really super light green in there. Right. Whoa. Strange rock. Weird. Looks like an interesting rock. If I cut it open, it might have some sweet patterns in it. Just took a spill. Fell in the river. My whole backpack's all wet. Everything in there. Oh, nice and refreshing. Here we go. I see something there. Let's go check it out. Green crystally stuff. Oh, it's big. It's not the brightest green. You can tell it's green. Nice big chunk of it. Wow. That looks cool. Is it in? Yeah. Look at that. These little squares or whatever they are on a dark center. What is this stuff? Wow. Pretty nice. That's cool. It's a light colored piece, like a light blue. Too many rocks to carry back today. Next time I'll bring a little sandpaper to the river, even though I never do after all these years. And then you can kind of see better what's in the stone. That's a cool shape. Yeah, just right there. Never know what it is on the inside. That's a good 10-pound piece. 15-pound piece. Maybe we'll take it back. Okay. There's color to that. I think. Yeah. and layered. I'd say it's not the best quality, but there's definitely some blue in there. And super dark. Looks, I don't know, like not it. Ooh. Here's an old friend from last year. It's that green crystal-y stuff. This one has really large crystals and really small ones. Let's see if you can see them there. And then the really tiny ones there. There's some big ones down here. Really nice green right there. It's that imperial green. It's a heavy stone. Looks to be 100 pounds, maybe more. Hey, what's this? What's this? What's this? Let's take it to the river. Here we go. I got this thing and it's super heavy for its size. It's surprising. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at the blue in that. You can see it. This thing is blue and pure looking. Pretty pure looking too. Wow. Thank you, river. Wow. Just have to carry this a few miles out. No problem. Let's see. And you can see that. That's a blue. Right there. Blue up here. It's blue over here. It's nice rust spots, vulcanization that has worn off, I think, by the river. Naturally polishing it, took all this stuff off. Well, this is a great piece. This is, I'm stoked. I'm happy about this. It's a carryable size. And it looks to be good. Some buoyancy in there as well. Oh yeah. You can see that. But that's a nice color in there. It's a deep blue, green. I don't see a lot of inclusions either. There's some vulcanization going on. The brown there. That can make it really beautiful too. And then here you can see the chatoyancy. The cat's eye effect. Alright. Let's go. Boom. Very slippery over here. You're a chunk. Hey, you're a chunk. Chunky gray blue. I just found that big amazing piece of pure blue. And I looked around, and this was right behind it. So, this is the only place with a little light left in the area. Oh boy. Look at that. More blue. This creek is, look at the bubble in there. That is some botryoidal jade right there. Oh, it looks super light here. Like a different quality, or oh, I don't think I can carry much more. Well, I'm gonna leave it. That's for y'all. I gotta go home.